Around the final turn, they're spread out now. Whistler's Miss draws away. Just enough, and Charlie Class on the outside.
Greyhounds. No, I'm not talking about the ones that you ride in. These greyhounds have been living on the earth for thousands of years, and they are fast. I mean super fast.
5, 1, 2, 4. Around the first turn.
With an impressive land speed of up to 43 miles per hour, this gentle and intelligent dog breed is mostly known for their racing ability. During the 1920s, modern greyhound racing was introduced into the United States and England as well as Northern Ireland. And since then, greyhound racing has thrived. I'm curious though, what happens after the race is over? Where does a greyhound end up? Do they make good pets, or do they just want to run all day? My questions were answered at Petco. Meet John number 1, a believer in second chances.
Hi, my name is John Burt. I run Second Chance Greyhounds Adoption Agency. We've been doing this for 18 years now, and we're here at Petco promoting adoptions. Well, if they weren't adopted, they'd be euthanized.
I definitely didn't like that answer, but I was glad to hear that John doesn't see his adoption days at Petco as a job, but rather a mission in life.
This is really my passion. In fact, greyhounds changed my life. I was an artist for over 20 years, and I got my first 2 greyhounds, and that was Second Chance Greyhounds born.
But John isn't the only second chancer. Juanice and his daughter adopted a greyhound a few years ago.
Trying to help those great dogs, and it feels really good to give those dogs a second chance.
Life is full of second chances. We found this to be true when we met John number 2. He loves to walk Otis in Farmington, Utah, but only when it's not raining.
Hey Otis, you want to take a walk? Huh? Yeah, it's not raining today. Yeah, my name is John, and I adopted Otis in 2013. He's my 4th greyhound. Good boy, Otis. I've had 3 other greyhounds previously. They were all race dogs, ex-race dogs, and the same with Otis. He raced 161 races, won about 35, came in second 20, which is a very good record for any greyhound.
The 5 is Maryville Cagney 3rd.
He's 9 years old now, and he's starting to slow down. Well, the dog needs much attention. They want attention, they like to be petted, they'll come up to you to be petted, but primarily you need to feed him twice a day. He likes treats, make sure he has clean water all the time. Well, I believe I'm giving Otis a second chance. I don't know what would have happened to him if he wasn't adopted by me. I don't know where he would be or what kind of life he would have. I know that he has a good life. I know I love him.
Bern Williams once said, "There's no psychiatrist in the world like a puppy licking your face." Even at 9 years old, Otis, and a much older John, share that special bond only found between a man and his dog. Wait a minute, that's not fair. What about Becky and her dog? As she'll state, she thinks highly of her greyhound, Garrett.
He is such a wonderful dog. I think he has benefited both my family, and we've benefited him because he is still alive. I knew when I got Garrett, he wanted to be the only dog. He wanted to be the center of attention, and he still is 2 years later. First of all, they're not barkers. They don't have the dog odor. You just have to always remember keeping them on a leash, because they're gonna run. You don't have to bend over to pet them like some dogs. I've had greyhounds for 15 years, and I would never, ever have another animal besides a greyhound because they are so sweet.
According to Claudia, founder of GreyhoundGang.org, the top 10 reasons to adopt a greyhound are Number 10, they don't slobber. Number 9, they hardly shed. Number 8, they like to hang out with well-behaved kids. Number 7, they're the fastest dogs on the block, but don't brag about it. Number 6, they're bigger couch potatoes than you are. Number 5, they could qualify for Mensa. Well, most of them. Number 4, they're always sweet and polite. Number 3, they don't smell like dogs. Number 2, they look you in the eye when you talk to them. And number 1, they're forever thankful to you for saving their lives. Well, there you go. Thanks for taking this journey with me. We learned a little, met some really cool people and their greyhounds, and most of all, learned to extend a second chance to these sweet, lovable, and fastest dogs on the planet. For more information on how you can adopt a greyhound, visit the websites on your screen.